Hello, dear friend. Today I am going to discuss the Shopify core products. So, in this video, I will discuss all the Shopify products, services that are selling on the Shopify platform. So, be with me till the end of video. So, I will discuss all the core products of Shopify that are selling on the Shopify. You must have to need about the core products of Shopify before starting the selling on a Shopify store. First of all, I in the past video I show you how to create a Shopify store. So in the past video I completely guided you how to create a Shopify store. So you can check my last video uploaded on my YouTube channel. So in this video I will discuss the Shopify core products. From I have to write the on the search bar of Google Shopify core products 2022. So present era is 2022. So we have to check the products of 2022 to start work and business on the Shopify. So 17 trending products and things to sell online on Shopify. So we on the of the official website of Shopify, 17 trending products and things to sell online. So these are high demanding trending products to sell, the skill to market them, the drive to succeed. So business idea, basically I am going to discuss in this video. In this list you will find 17 things to sell online 2022 that will activate new business ideas. Store online. So these 17 products are print books and e-books. You can check this thoroughly how you can start a print books and e-books on Shopify. Vinyl, LPS and CDs, belts, buckles, false eyelash accessories, household cleaning supplies, circuit board and components, play vehicles and accessories, dinnerware, pet carriers and crates, accessories, curtain and drap rings, marine header, DJ system, marine and cups and spoons, shampoo, computers, cables, mouse pads. You can check also these core products explained in this article. So you can check separately each products. If we discuss the value of these products, so you can check 25.7 billions valued of the print books and e-books in our United States. So in the next, vinyl LPs and CDs have 25.048%. Top countries USA and UK. So these businesses are top on UK and United States 2021. So bats and buckles. So these are the core products. False eyelashes. It's if we discuss the false eyelashes value, then top country is United Kingdom. So this is very sold on United UK. Household cleaning supplies. So these are shampoos, soaps, cleaning detergents, surf and other materials, circuit boards and components like circuits of household equipments like our electric bulb, electric board. So these are the playing vehicles, accessories, and dinnerware. pet carrier, then crate accessories, top country Sweden. So this business is almost on top in Sweden. So you can, if you work on a Sweden country, so you can sell pet carriers and create accessories on Sweden based locations. So in the next content, then drapes, rings. So 17 ideas are for you in the Shopify store. So you can start from any one depending on your niche, your product services, and your availability products that you can sell on Shopify easily. And if you imagine these products are suitable for you, and you can easily sell and gain a high traffic for your business to grow up. You can select any niche from this website, and you can sell any product on Shopify and start business and earning from Shopify. So this is 17 ideas. So if we check another website, www.wavemedia.com, so this is not a good all the pros and cons. You need 10 best Shopify apps in top. If we check the core products, so Shopify review 2022 every need. If we scroll down, how to start Shopify, these are the another videos. Shopify core products, Shopify products to start sell. So these products are style items, find product to sell profit Shopify. So you can check these article and find products. Another 10 essential drop shipping business tips for beginners, 130 best drop shipping products to sell in 2022. So you can check these also. So these are the some ideas for your business to start on a Shopify. You can sell these products according to your niche. You can earn a lot of from Shopify and other products. So how to sell on Shopify, what to sell on Shopify. This is a very important www. This website is pageflyIOblogs.com. So these are the products. So what you not to sell on Shopify, this is the other question. So gaming products, what to sell on Shopify, health and fitness, productivity products, food products, kitchen accessories and ingredients, home decor and furniture, game products. Lot of ideas for your business to start up on Shopify. Phone accessories, travel accessories, health and safety products, sustainable product, fashion products, electronic products, CBD, e-cigarette, baby care products, pet products, services, digital products, vehicles and vehicle accessories, hobbies products. How to sell, another question. So these are the some ideas that you must have to know how to start selling on a products. Best products, another website, center.com blog. So this is not copyright, this is allowed us from the website, free, copyright free websites. I only show you for education purpose, not for copyright or another claim. So I am free of copyright claim. So my purpose behind making this video is to educate you to start earning from Shopify, not to copyright any other content. I create contents on my own. I create my own videos, mine through my camera and other. So I want to educate you to start selling on Amazon and what niche to select selling on Amazon. You can start up any business and earning from Amazon, Shopify, and other websites, earning websites. So you can start up any niche. So hope this video is very informative and educated for you. You have hope you have gained very lot of information about how to start a business and earn from online, especially from Shopify, Amazon. So hope I will meet you in the next video. Tata, bye bye.